So my friend sent me this video about mechanical keyboards or whatever. I didn't know he was much of a gamer or anything like that, but I'm gonna check it out. What the f- Our story begins where all great stories do. Denial. I mean, it does everything my keyboard does, right? It's basically the same thing. My keyboard has buttons, I can type on it, right? Alright, well maybe one mechanical keyboard isn't a bad idea, right? It's one. It's an investment, you know, it'll last a long time. It's just one long-term investment. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Chapter 2. Anger. Okay, things that make a keyboard good. Taya typed or some other YouTuber made one. Yeah. Can't be full-sized. Has the fun sounds. And until you hear what it's called by someone else pronouncing it, you don't know how to say it. What am I forgetting? What am I forgetting? Oh, yeah. Fun keycaps. Okay. So I found a few keyboards online. We have the Bauer. I'm pretty sure, I saw someone make one of these. How do I... $500? Okay, I can't afford that. I saw this one sold out. So are the okay? Maybe I'll just look at keycaps for now. So I saw this set online. It looked pretty nice. $110. That's a pretty penny. Oh, it's also sold out. Okay, what about these ones? These looked kind of $110 again, and sold out again. Okay, you know what? I'll just think about keycaps later. I did see this one other keyboard, but I'm not too sure looking back at these other keyboards. Maybe this one will be better. It's off this website called KeyCult. How to buy. Limited run. Releases. We'll do the 65. Chapter 3 and 4. Bargaining and Depression. So, after a little bit of looking, it's come to my attention that everything worth getting is, well, expensive. And you order it now, it doesn't ship for a year and a half. So, my wallet is drained, and I don't have anything to show for it for a long time. It's just, it's a lot. Yeah. And to conclude our story, eventually our hero breaks down and accepts their fate as a mechanical keyboard enthusiast, allowing for genuine happiness. At least until that voice in their head tells them they want to build another. And... done. I wonder if there's any new group eyes open.